I wanted to talk to you about how the Cell Repair Night Oil can revolutionize your skin. Everyone can use a facial oil, no matter the skin type, and ours is perfect for rebalancing, protecting, and nourishing the skin for a beautiful, luminous, natural glow. The Cell Repair Night Oil is an intensive, overnight boosting treatment that works at nighttime when your skin is repairing itself naturally. Bursting with bioorganic botanicals like baobab, mongongo oil, and Camellia africana, it's rich in antioxidants and vitamin E. Your skin will be luminous, dewy, and glowing from the very first use. You can layer it over the Revitalize and Glow Serum for a boost of probiotics, or use it underneath the Cell Revitalize Night Moisturizer to supercharge your nighttime routine. Use the Cell Repair Night Oil 3 times a week. Oily, combination, or acne-prone skins should use the oil twice a week to help to rebalance sebum production. If you have very dry or mature skin, you should use the oil every day. Lots of makeup artists love using this night oil before applying foundation to create a glowing, dewy look. The oil is beautifully fragranced with an iconic blend of neroli, lavender, rose, and mandarin, and helps you to feel calm and relaxed before bed. Using the oil as part of your nightly ritual adds a sense of luxury to your routine and even helps you to sleep better. This cult product is loved by many. See what customers and the press have said. Pipette 2 to 3 drops of the Cell Repair Night Oil into the palms of your hands and warm the product gently. This way, the essential oils will start to permeate and you can inhale the fragrance deeply. Massage into the face, neck, and décolletage and focus on relaxing before bed. Observe your thoughts from the day, but let them go and focus on your breathing and a moment of mindfulness before bed.